This is block 12, and it is called Christmas Stocking. This is our last block, of course, and it is made up of 6 rows and 2 half square triangles. Now, all the blocks that we have seen for the months, you can totally take one of those blocks and make a whole quilt out of them. I will come back to show you guys my finished quilt and show you how I placed, because as you saw, there's little blocks and there's big ones. So I will be sharing how to, put the sashing around the small ones to match the larger blocks. And I am so excited. I really hope that you guys have fun doing the patchwork block of the month. Thank you guys for suggesting it, and suggest more. I love hearing from you guys. And I am going to go and put this stocking together, and I'm going to bring it back. I'm going to bring it so you can see the finished block. All right, you guys, I'll be back.